Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. When you're out in the wild, the most important thing to have is survival food. Many people start out with dry beans and rice because they're cheap and have a long shelf life. One of the best ways to build up your food storage is to stockpile canned goods. So we'll take a look at the top canned foods every prepper needs in their pantry. Meat. It's what's for dinner, but in a survival situation, it's more than just a meal, it's a lifeline. Out in the wilderness, meat can be hard to come by. Hunting requires skill, patience, and sometimes luck. That's why having a stockpile of canned meat can be a lifesaver. It's convenient, non-perishable, and ready to eat whenever you need it. Canned meat is a great source of protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass and energy levels. Protein is crucial for repairing tissues and supporting immune function. Plus, it's already cooked, so you can eat it straight from the can. No need for a fire or stove, making it perfect for emergencies. Tuna is a great option because it's packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and brain function. Chicken is another good choice, as it's a lean protein that's low in fat. It's versatile and can be used in various recipes. And Spam, well, it might not be the most appetizing food, but it's packed with calories and protein and it can last for years. It's a reliable option when other foods are scarce. When choosing canned meat, be sure to check the expiration date and choose cans that are in good condition. Freshness is key to ensuring the best nutritional value. Avoid cans that are dented, rusted, or swollen, as this could be a sign of botulism. Safety should always be your top priority. Once you've got your canned meat, be sure to store it in a cool, dry place. Proper storage extends the shelf life and maintains the quality of the food. A cool, dark pantry or cellar is ideal. These conditions help prevent spoilage and keep your food supply safe. Canned meat, a prepper's best friend. It's dependable, nutritious, and easy to store. Proper preparation is key to survival. With the right supplies, you can face any challenge with confidence. Another essential for any prepper's pantry: condensed soups. Condensed soups are a secret weapon when it comes to staying hydrated and energized. They're packed with essential nutrients and electrolytes. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can eat them hot or cold, and you can even use them as a base for other dishes. And the best part, they're incredibly affordable. You will need extra water for these. So, stock up on condensed soups, folks. They're a lightweight, affordable, and nutritious way to stay alive when the going gets tough. If you've got a bit more room in your pack and a bit more money to spend, consider non-condensed soups. These are the soups that are ready to eat straight from the can. No need to add water. These are great if you need something quick and easy to eat. Non-condensed soups also tend to have more calories per can than condensed soups. When choosing non-condensed soups, look for low-sodium options, high protein and fiber content. Variety is the spice of life, even in a survival situation. There's a real survivalist staple: canned chili. This stuff is a lifesaver when you need a hearty, filling meal that will stick to your ribs and keep you going. Canned chili is packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. It's also relatively inexpensive and has a long shelf life. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can eat it on its own or use it as a base for other dishes. Now, there are two main types of canned chili: traditional chili with beans and chili con carne. Both are great options, but if you're looking for a more filling option, go for the chili with beans. When choosing canned chili, be sure to check the sodium content. And one final tip: always have a roll of toilet paper handy when eating canned chili. We all need a bit of comfort, even in a survival situation. And what's more comforting than a warm bowl of pasta? That's where canned pastas come in. Canned pastas have come a long way in recent years. There are actually some pretty tasty options out there. My personal favorite? Chef Boyardee. They've got those mini ravioli with meatballs that are surprisingly good. Beyond the taste, canned pastas are a great source of carbohydrates, essential for providing your body with energy. Just like with other canned goods, be sure to check the sodium content. And don't be afraid to get creative with your canned pasta. Having some familiar comfort food on hand can make all the difference in keeping your spirits up during a difficult time. Canned chicken is a must-have for any prepper's pantry. It's incredibly versatile and can be used in countless recipes. Plus, it's a great source of lean protein, essential for maintaining muscle mass and energy levels. One of the best things about canned chicken is its long shelf life. It can last for years if stored properly in a cool, dry place. Now, there are different types of canned chicken available. You've got your plain canned chicken, which is great for adding to salads, sandwiches, or casseroles. Then there's canned chicken in broth, perfect for soups and stews. When choosing canned chicken, always check the sodium content. You can add it to pasta dishes, rice dishes, tacos, wraps, salads, soups, stews. The possibilities are endless. Another essential canned meat for your survival pantry: canned beef. Canned beef is a hearty and flavorful source of protein that can be used in a variety of dishes. It's also incredibly shelf-stable, making it a perfect addition to any prepper's pantry. There are different types of canned beef available, each with its own unique flavor and texture. You've got your classic roast beef, great for making sandwiches, wraps, or adding to salads. Then there's corned beef, perfect for making hash, Reubens, or even just eating straight from the can. When choosing canned beef, be sure to check the sodium content. Canned beef might not be the fanciest food, but it's a reliable and nutritious source of protein that can make all the difference in a survival situation. Canned fish, an ocean of nutrition. Canned fish is an excellent source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential vitamins and minerals. Tuna is perhaps the most well-known and widely available canned fish. It's packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and can be eaten straight from the can, added to salads, sandwiches, or used in a variety of recipes. But tuna isn't the only canned fish worth stocking up on. Salmon is another fantastic option, rich in omega-3s and boasting a delicious, rich flavor. When choosing canned fish, opt for varieties packed in water or olive oil. Canned fish is a shelf-stable, nutritious, and delicious way to add variety to your survival diet. Canned fruits and vegetables, essential vitamins and minerals. These are crucial for maintaining a balanced diet and ensuring your body gets what it needs to function properly. Don't forget your fruits and veggies. They are packed with essential nutrients that support overall health, from boosting your immune system to improving skin health. Sure, meat, soups, and pasta are great for calories and protein, but you need your vitamins and minerals too. These nutrients are vital for energy production, bone health, and even mental well-being. That's where canned fruits and vegetables come in. They offer a convenient way to incorporate these essential nutrients into your diet without the hassle of fresh produce. While it's true that some nutrients can be lost during the canning process, canned fruits and vegetables are still a good source of essential vitamins and minerals. They retain a significant amount of their nutritional value. Canned produce is picked at its peak ripeness and canned immediately, locking in those nutrients. This process helps preserve the vitamins and minerals that are so important for our health. Another great thing about canned fruits and vegetables is their long shelf life. They are perfect for stocking up and ensuring you always have a healthy option on hand. They can last for months or even years if stored properly. This makes them an excellent choice for emergency preparedness or simply for convenience. When choosing canned fruits and vegetables, look for varieties that are canned in water or their own juice. This helps to avoid added sugars and unnecessary calories. And as always, check the sodium content and choose low-sodium options whenever possible. This is especially important for maintaining heart health and managing blood pressure. Canned beans, a plant-based powerhouse. These little guys are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. They are a convenient and reliable source of nutrition, especially for those who are looking to maintain a healthy diet without spending too much time in the kitchen. They're also incredibly affordable and versatile, making them a staple in many cultures around the world. From hearty stews to refreshing salads, canned beans can be used in a multitude of recipes, adding both flavor and nutrition to your meals. There are all sorts of canned beans out there, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Whether you prefer the creamy texture of cannellini beans or the robust flavor of black beans, there's a variety to suit every palate. You've got your black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, chickpeas, lentils. The list goes on. Each type of bean brings its own unique set of nutrients and benefits, making it easy to find the perfect match for your dietary needs. One of the best things about canned beans is their high fiber content. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management. Fiber is essential for digestive health. and can help regulate blood sugar levels. This makes beans an excellent choice for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Another benefit of canned beans is their low-fat content. They are a great option for those looking to reduce their fat intake without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. They're naturally low in fat and cholesterol-free, making them a heart-healthy choice. Including beans in your diet can contribute to better cardiovascular health and lower the risk of heart disease. So, stock up on your favorite varieties of canned beans and enjoy the peace of mind knowing you've got a nutritious and delicious source of plant-based protein on hand. Whether you're preparing for an emergency or just looking to simplify your meal prep, canned beans are a fantastic addition to any pantry. So the top canned foods every prepper needs to stockpile. Proper preparation is key to survival, and having a well-stocked pantry is an essential part of that preparation. Stay prepared out there,